Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.